Did you know India's silver jewelry export crossed over $419 million in just first 5 months of 2025? That is double digit growth, even in a tough global market. And guess what? Who is buying the most? It is not Dubai, not UK. It is actually US, India's biggest and most consistent silver jewelry buyer. Today we are going to break down exactly why India dominates this market, which region you should source from, and how you can start your own import export business in silver jewelry profitably and safely. Watch till the end because I will also reveal starter pack templates to help you to pick reliable supplier and calculate landed cost for your target market. Let's start with the big picture. According to Gems and Jewelry Export Promotion Council, India's silver jewelry export have been on a strong recovery path through 2024-25 thanks to rising global demand for affordable luxury and silver jewelry versatility. Between April and August 2025, provisional figure shows export of around $419 million. That is up more than 12% year on year. India today is among the top 5 global exporter of finished silver jewelry, alongside countries like Thailand, Italy, and Turkey. And what is driving this boom? Three major factors. Number one, shift from gold to silver due to price sensitivity. Second, fashion and lifestyle trend. Minimalistic, oxidized, and boho style gaining global traction. Number three, India's competitive production ecosystem, which we will explore next. Why India is the best place to source silver jewelry? India isn't just producing silver jewelry, it is producing stories in silver. Here is what makes India unbeatable as a sourcing destination. Low production cost plus skilled labor. India has a massive artisan base that blends traditional handicraft with modern manufacturing. That means you can get premium craftsmanship at global competitive prices. Design varieties and gem setting mastery. Whether it is Kundan, Meenakari, tribal, or minimum contemporary, Indian artisans handle it all. The diversity in design here is unmatched. Supplier ecosystem for every buyer side. For small family workshops to large export certified manufacturers, you will find partners ready to offer private label, production, OEM work, or custom design. Rising quality compliances. BIS hallmarking and assaying labs are adding a strong layer of trust. Indian factories are increasingly compliant with international standards. Export experience. Dedicated decade of export history. Trade shows by GJEPC and established freight network means smooth logistic and export documentation. Let's talk about the number one market, United States. US consistently rank as India's largest importer of finished silver jewelry. Why? Because US buyer loves Starling 925 silver which balance affordability and luxury. India's trendy handcrafted appeal and quick customization from boho chic to fine minimalistic style that match global fashion trend. Other big markets include the UK, Germany, UAE, and Hong Kong. But the US remains the highest volume and highest value destination for Indian exporters. If you are an exporter, this is where you should focus your marketing and certification. If you are a buyer, this is where you will find the best margin and product varieties. Where to source in India? Here is your quick sourcing map. Jaipur, Rajasthan, gemstone, studded silver, handmade artisanry. Moradabad and Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, mass production, oxidized and tribal style. Mumbai and Surat, wholesale trade hub with established exporters. Cuttack, Orissa, famous for delicate filigree work. Kolkata, West Bengal, temple and vintage silver art. For sourcing, you have three main channels. Direct factory for large MOQ and full control. Trending export house for smaller MOQs and ready design. B2B trade fair like GJEPC, India's International Jewelry Show, IIJS, perfect for new buyers. Common mistakes to avoid. Before you place your first order, avoid these 5 common mistakes. Number 1. Skipping supplier verification. Always check GST, export license and factory reference. Number 2. Ignoring hallmarking reports. Insist on BIS or SA certificate. Number 3. Wrong HS code. Silver jewelry is under HS 7113. So, use the right subheading for custom clearance. Number 4. Not sampling properly. Always approve physical sample before bulking. Number 5. Loose commercial terms. Clearly define Incoterms, payments and packaging specs. Remember, good paperwork is equal to smooth shipping. How I can help you start right? If you are serious about importing or exporting silver jewelry, I can help you start smart. Here is what I can provide. Vetted supplier shortlists, 3 to 5 per category. Negotiation support for best price and MOQs. Sample management and quality checks. Export documentation guidance. HS code, invoice packing list, BIS certificate and all the necessary export documents that you needed. Landed cost calculation for your target market. This means you will get faster shipment, better pricing and zero surprise at customs. Before finalizing your supplier, make sure you ask what is the purity and do they have SA certificates? How is the plating durability and tennis resistance? Are stone spaces and soldering standards documented? What is the packaging and labeling standard? A professional supplier will answer this instantly. If not, that is a red flag. India's silver jewelry sector is growing fast, driven by design, trust, and competitive pricing. If you are looking to import, resell, or start your own private brand, now it is the perfect time to tap into this $400 million opportunity. Start with small batches, verify quality, and build a reliable partnership. Because with the right sourcing strategy, India can be your gateway to global silver jewelry profit. And if you want to purchase silver jewelry from Indian website, I will put link in the description so you can go through that websites. All are authentic and genuine websites. You can purchase from there. They are safe and reliable. And if you need my help, I can help you to purchase from India. So here is how to do it smartly. I have listed a verified website in the description where you can safely buy retail silver jewelry directly from trusted Indian makers. And if you want a piece from different seller or cities, I can help you collect all your items, consolidate them into one package and ship them together, which cuts down your total cost big time. So it will be cost effective and cheaper for you.